like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbia's Customs. In today's video, we will be installing a hidden step for a pickup truck.
Here we go.
These hidden steps really help to get on and off the bed of your truck, and it also hides the step so it doesn't look too ugly. We will be installing this on a Toyota Tacoma. This is the step we will be installing. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to buy it. It comes in two parts with the nuts and washers. You're going to need a torque wrench to do all the screws to spec, just how it comes in the instructions. It will have the numbers of the torque. We're going to start by taking off these two screws that are connected to the frame. Install the first bracket with the same screws and torque to spec. You will need an extension to reach the screws after you install the bracket. For the last part of the bracket, it's better to install with somebody to help you. That way they can hold up the weight while you torque to spec. Check that the step works and holds the same weight. Also check that it doesn't hit the bumper. I hope this video was of great help. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me to keep making more videos for you guys. Thank you.